1 2 3। हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ अकेला ऑलमोस्ट सोशल से और आज है हमारा तीसरा ब्लॉग चैनल के लिए। और ब्लॉग क्यों कर रहा हूँ? क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ, अभी निकलने वाला हूँ। कुछ एक इवेंट है जो मैं अटेंड करने वाला हूँ, बाकी डिटेल्स आपको डेफिनेटली बाद में मिल ही जाएंगी। तो अभी मैं क्विकली कैब मैंने बुक कर ली है और पैकिंग मेरी अभी तक चल रही है। आई रियली डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट मच टाइम, सो आई सी यू गाइज इन द कैब। I am already at the airport right now. Suraj is waiting for me at CCD from Tech Devoted, so I'll be going and I'll be meeting him later. This guy is actually vlogging, is live right now.
Guys, say hi.
Just finished a quick, what do you call it? When you eat something this time, high tea? No, it was not tea. It was snacks with Pepsi, of course. We are at KFC, so that's Santosh.
Heavy.
Yeah, so that's Santosh from E-Reviews.
I do tech videos.
Okay, tech videos. And this guy, you might be knowing him because of one viral video.
What's my title? Tech Devoted.
So I am just going to board the flight. So we are just leaving from here. Done with all the things. Boarding already started. So yeah, so we'll see you in the flight.
You in Chennai, no?
You know what happened? Looking at my sad face, that ugly face, the air hostess actually offered me and Santosh, both of us, some free sandwiches and drinks. He also got it. So if in case you are ugly, if in case you have a sad face, if in case you are having a terrible day, fly in Indigo and you will definitely be getting some stuff like me. Just kidding. So yeah, finally we are outside the Delhi airport and we are going to hotel. So that guy whom you can see, all three guys who are going there, so they are gonna be the one who will be dropping us to the hotel. I'm not very much sure what exactly is wrong with the focus. Yeah, it's all in focus right now. So we're just gonna go there, not very much hungry, but we are gonna go there. Whatever we have to finish, whatever we have to eat, we are gonna eat there, and I'll definitely show you what we are eating. Hey, what do you say, Santosh?
Jaguar, bitch. Look at that light.
We are just in the cab right now going to hotel. I'm not very much sure whether this song is gonna come in the background. If in case it does, then I'll have to remove this clip for sure. If in case it won't, then yeah, you will see this. I just got my room key along with a small agenda which is having like I guess around some timings for lunch and dinner. The hospitality so far is amazing. That's the event we are here for, Oppo company. So the event is tomorrow morning. Today we have nothing, so we can just chill out. We'll be meeting other creators as well and we'll see what exactly we have in pipeline. I'll try to shoot one collab as well. Let's see how things go. So far everything is amazing, and this is like the entrance from where I have come in just now. We came in, we were not expecting this one, and it's not a huge deal, but yeah, these guys arranged a Jaguar for us to be picked up from airport, and that's where we have come here to the hotel. So driver was amazing, and yeah, so we are a bit hungry right now, so we are quickly gonna go for dinner, and I'll definitely be meeting you guys at dinner. So yeah, see ya. So we are done having dinner, and then we just came to have a look at like how the hotel is, how are things here and there. I'm sorry for the focus shows, but I guess it's because of the low light. So anyways, so we just came here and you will see like behind me is like an amazing pool, and this is like the entire building which we have here, which is like quite an amazing thing. And yeah, so this guy, so don't subscribe to him.
Yeah, subscribe.
Yeah, and don't subscribe to this guy as well. His video, this is a guy whose video went viral.
Oh, he's doing from
Yeah.
last life.
Yeah. What's your channel name?
It's just my name.
Okay, Kortope.
Atish, Tech Dipper.
Anant,
Okay.
Anant.
After going for a round after dinner, I just came to my room and who is he?
Chor.
चोर आया, चोर रोहेश चोर आया मेरे रूम में. उसके रूम में कॉफी खत्म हो गया था तो कॉफी चुराने आया था, पकड़ाई में आ गया, यहीं धर लिया, अब जाने नहीं देंगे इसको. सो रोहेश कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत मजा आ गया यार.
मजा आया?
मजा आया.
ब्लॉग हो रहा है?
ब्लॉग चल रहा है यार, अभी थोड़ा
कब करेगा?
थकान हो गया यार एकदम से.
थक गया. ये मार्केट गया था कुछ अपने पर्सनल काम से, तो वहाँ से अभी आया है, 4-5 घंटे आराम से भटका है, तो ऑब्वियसली थकना तो है.
कल भी भटकेंगे. कल इवेंट कुछ 12 से 1 बजे का है.
ओके, तो 12 से 1, तो उसके बाद में
उसके बाद तो आराम से भटकेंगे. मेरा फ्लाइट तो काफी 7 बजे का फ्लाइट है, तो हम
तो ये
देखेंगे.
भटकने ही वाला है बस. तो अभी बस हम लोग भी थोड़ा आराम करने वाले हैं, थोड़ा बातें करने वाले हैं, उसके बाद में
ये कभी बचपन में बहुत करते थे रिसो.
तो अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे ले? अभी हम लोग टाइम पास कर रहे ले. तू उधर
एक मिनट पहले क्लियर कर दो. वी आर नॉट ड्रंक.
तू बता.
वी आर नॉट ड्रंक. ये हो सकता है, मैं नहीं हूँ भाई.
नहीं भाई, वो फ्रिज में कुछ है ही नहीं. कोल्ड ड्रिंक के अलावा कुछ नहीं. वो दिखाएंगे, वो दिखाएंगे
हाँ,
बाद
वो अलग
में.
दिखाएंगे.
वो बाद में दिखाएंगे क्या क्या है, पर अभी क्या कर रहे हैं.
लेकिन एक मिनट पहले मैं जाऊँगा, फिर तुम जाना.
ओके ठीक है. 1
2
पर मेरे को इधर आना था, फिर दिखेगा नहीं.
हाँ, ठीक है.
1 2 3.
अरे मैं चलो.
1 2 3.
5 स्टार होटल है भाई, कंप्लेंट करेगा पब्लिक.
So I have 2 of each, so I'm going to be putting everything in that so that we can create some pros. This is hot water. I know it's anyway summer, but this is hot water, and reason is I was feeling a bit tired. Body was aching a bit, so that's why I thought maybe I'll take a bath. I'll take a bath and bathtub in hot water so that my body will feel relaxed a bit. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell you that I tried creating froth, but yeah, it's not happening. And I'll just go and take bath now. Bye. Alright, so I have taken bath, I have got ready, and it's time for breakfast. It's around 10:15 right now. We have to check out by 11. Event is starting by around 12. I am actually on the 2nd floor. Rest everyone, most of them are on the 5th floor. We are just finally going inside now. The event has started. So this is the queue. So we just have to collect a pass and we have to go inside. Are you excited to see Deepika Padukone? Finally done with the event, and we are just leaving for the airport from hotel. So these guys are just taking care of like some things, so they're just doing some stuff so that they can arrange a drop for us. So I'll be seeing you guys at the airport. That was our ride for the airport, and we are just heading for the departure now. finally landed at Bangalore airport and we will just take bus. So all of us are here. Santosh is here, Suraj is here, and then we have Kautabya also who is here. So it might take like an hour or maybe an hour and a half more for us to reach there, and after that I'm just gonna go and take rest because I did not upload any video today. So yeah, you can definitely expect I guess this video will be going tomorrow. So yeah, so I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here. So thank you so much guys for watching this one. If in case you haven't liked this video, please make sure that you are liking this. Share the video if in case you would want. Let me know which was your favorite part in the vlog in the comment section below. And last but not the least is to hit that subscribe button if in case you haven't, because that's like very important. And after you hit that subscribe button, make sure that you are hitting that bell icon as well so that the notifications are on. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you again in the next one. Till then, take care.